is the 40-piece do-it-yourself paintless dent removal kit. It does not come with isopropyl alcohol, which you should get to remove the glue from the car. I'm gonna be repairing this little dent right here. So, first piece, supposed to find a little piece that matches the dent size. Pretty much start large and then work your way down smaller and smaller. So kind of first step is glue top of it. Start from center, work your way around. Stick it right in the center of the dent. Lightly press down, like so. I'm going to be using this dent puller, so pretty much let it set up, let the glue set up for a little bit. It takes a few seconds, still tacky. Get it set up. We're gonna slide it into the slot and then tighten it down till the legs are firm up with the car. Like that. And then pretty much what you want to do, glue's firm, just lightly pull up until like so. Now what you want to do is clean the glue off. Give it a spray with the alcohol. That kind of breaks the bond of the glue. And then take the scraper that they give in the packet and pretty much scrape it off. There you go. And we'll wipe it off with the rag. And you can already tell the dent has come up quite a bit, so pretty much just repeat this process until the whole dent is out.